This is a tutorial on how to run Llama 3 locally with Spice.ai. Before you begin, you will need to have the Spice CLI installed into your terminal, and you will need to have been granted access to the model of Llama 3 you'll be using. I'm going to navigate to HuggingFace to show you how to get access to Llama 3 and to get your API key in order for this tutorial to work. So this would be the page you would request access. And then once you get an email saying you've been granted access, you can create an API key. You would do so by going to your settings, and then you can go to access tokens in your settings, and then you can go to create new token. Once you've created that token, save it somewhere so you can use it later in the tutorial. Now we're ready to start the tutorial for running Llama 3 with Spice. You're going to copy this into your terminal, and then find the file and open it. Once you've opened the file, you're going to copy this in under the existing text. Make sure to save your file, and then you can copy this into your terminal and make sure to replace the your API key with the API key you just got from HuggingFace. Now you can type Spice run. After that's loaded, you can type Spice chat. Now you're ready to chat with your model. I'm able to type and it will respond. This is how you use Spice.ai to run Llama 3 locally. Thank you.